Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Now we all know a pop of color can totally transform your look, but when you find a formula that checks all the boxes, bold, long-lasting, and comfortable, that's a game changer. Well, today we're talking about a product that does just that. Let's dive into the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color in the shade Make It Fashun. This bold fuchsia shade is more than just a statement lip. It's a liquid lipstick that promises a matte finish with the comfort of a balm. First up, let's take a closer look at the product itself. MAC is known for its premium makeup, and this liquid lipstick is no exception. The Powder Kiss formula is designed to deliver a soft focus matte finish without drying out your lips, which is a rare combination. It's part of their Powder Kiss collection, Liza, which has a cult following for its ability to give you a matte look that doesn't feel stiff or cakey. This lipstick comes in a sleek, easy-to-use liquid form with a precise applicator that makes it simple to apply. The Make It Fashun color is a stunning, vibrant fuchsia with red undertones, making it perfect for those who want to make a bold statement. The formula itself is infused with nourishing ingredients to keep your lips comfortable throughout the day. Now, let's talk about my experience with the product. From the moment I applied this, I was impressed. The texture is incredibly light. It glides on smoothly and doesn't feel sticky. Unlike some other matte liquid lipsticks, this one doesn't dry down to an uncomfortable flaky finish. It actually feels more like a soft cushion on your lips, which is a huge plus for a matte lip product. I wore it for an entire day to see how it held up. Throughout lunch, coffee, and even a little chit-chat, the color stayed intact. There was some transfer, but the pigmentation remained strong. The best part? It didn't crack or fade unevenly. It felt just as comfortable as when I first applied it. As for the pros and cons, here's the breakdown. The pros? The formula is incredibly lightweight, the color payoff is intense, and it provides that ultra-smooth, soft matte finish that's so hard to achieve in a liquid lipstick. Plus, it's a shade that's perfect for almost any occasion, from a night out to just elevating your everyday look. On the flip side, there are a few cons to consider. While it's comfortable, those with very dry lips might still want to exfoliate first to prevent any accentuating of flaky skin. It's not the most hydrating lipstick out there, but it strikes a nice balance for a matte formula. Another small downside is that it can be a little challenging to touch up perfectly without some extra precision. But to be honest, the color wear is so good that it's not something you'll need to do often. When it comes to value for money, MAC has always been a go-to for quality, and the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color doesn't disappoint. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but for a lipstick that performs well, feels comfortable, and lasts through most of your day, I'd say it's worth the investment. For those looking for alternatives, there are other great liquid lipsticks out there, but if you're after something that combines comfort with that matte, high-impact look, this product stands out in its category. It's a bit of a splurge, but it delivers on its promises. As for the build quality, the packaging feels luxe, as you would expect from MAC. The applicator is precise and does a great job of applying just the right amount of product, helping you avoid any mess or over-application. So, what's the final verdict? If you love a bold, matte lip but don't want to sacrifice comfort or long-lasting color, the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color in Make It Fashun is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for those who want a show-stopping color without the hassle of constant touch-ups. And hey, if you've used this product before, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with me. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.